Hey, this is JB here for today's futures day trading video review for Monday, January 22nd, 2018 for drum energy bands. Today, 4:80, 8 a.m. Eastern, we said 28.10 even will be the line in the sand. We gave some upside targets. We did very well. We popped it on up, rode it on the way up. And, whether or not you're bullish or bearish, it's really essentially, are you picking up support if you're bullish, for example, like over here on this left chart. Now, say price is flushing on down into this, area here, 22.5. If, for example, the market is pushing on down into 22.5, shouldn't the same scenario here on this right chart, shouldn't we be able to pick up the fact that this green airbag here on the right is not pushing down anymore? See here, we're way below it and we're closing down here. Now we're not even into this green airbag and we're closing here about in the middle of the bar. So it's suggesting that there's a lower red axe holding, but check it out. This green airbag does not push down and we close way up here. Now we're above the center at this point. So if you're somebody that, likes to wait for price to get a little more above the center before you get long, then that's where you're getting in and you're expecting this center here at about 24 to hold. If you're somebody that wants to be a little more aggressive and you want to trade the loss of the push down here into termination, this lower axe, well, you'd have to use a faster chart. Now I just want to orient you a little. This red lower axe here, okay, it's drawn here on the left chart here, this really fast moving chart. It's a 500 tick chart right here. That's the that lower red axe. Now if you look at this chart, it's the same concept. Is this green thing pushing down? Well, we're closing on the high. It doesn't look like it's pushing down very well. We're pushing down again at the very bottom with this green airbag, so it is pushing down a little bit. Now all of a sudden the airbag lets go and price closes up above the center. You notice how price is staying above this center, this little white guy, right? Coming in about 23.25, 23.5. So, whereas the 2000 tick gets you in maybe about, 24.25, 24.5, you might be able to get in a little bit better, maybe 23.25, 23.5 using a little bit faster chart. But essentially you get the point. That white center is not pushing down. Either is the green airbag. Anyway, we're going to do a webinar tomorrow, 4:15 p.m. Eastern. If you can set aside in your schedule, you don't want to miss it. We're going to be launching the HAG and showing some more live examples. Thanks very much for your interest. Hope you guys killed it.